Here are 5 things you didn't know about yawning. First, just reading the word yawn right now will make 60% of people yawn within the next minute. Second, yawning spreads between different species. Humans yawn after seeing dogs yawn, and dogs copy us back. Third, people with psychopathy rarely catch yawns from others because contagious yawning requires empathy to work. Fourth, yawning cools your brain by 0.15 degrees Celsius, acting like natural air conditioning for your head. Fifth, babies start yawning at 11 weeks in the womb, proving emotional connection is hardwired into human DNA before birth.